Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading Pico Part 2 on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, make sure that you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular platform where you can find a huge variety of games. If you don't have it installed yet, just head over to the official Steam website. You'll find an Install Steam button in the top right corner. Click on it and follow the instructions. Once Steam is installed, launch the application. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting Create a Free Account. Just fill in your email and choose a strong password. Once you're logged in, head to the search bar in the top right and type Pico Part 2. You should see the game in the results. Click on the title to open its store page. To buy the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After purchasing, go to your library. You'll find Pico Part 2 listed there. Click on it to open the game's page, and then press the Install button. A window will appear asking where you'd like to install the game. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The game will download automatically. When the download is complete, a Play button will show up. Click it to launch Pico Part 2. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.